first things first, foundation. We are going to be applying this with our beauty blender, and I'm just going to be putting this literally all over my face because it's foundation, and this is the Fenty foundation. I really like it. Moving on to concealer, we're just going to be using this Nars creamy concealer, and I'm just going to be putting it on all my highlighted areas because we like our highlight to be popping. So once we are done blending that all out, we're going to be going in with this Makeup Forever translucent powder, setting our eyes first so we don't get any creasing, and then I'm going to be going in and setting everything else. Once we're done setting everything, we're going to be going in with our contour, and this is a palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm sure you guys have all seen it before, but I am just going to town contouring, and then I'm going to be using this Sugar Pill eyeshadow for blush because I forgot mine, and then onto my favorite part, highlighter. I'm just going to be using this Magpie pigment. Guys, I cannot rave about this enough. It's so good. I love the color payoff. Beautiful. And then onto this white eyeshadow. I'm just going to be putting this all over my lid for a base because we are going to be going in with a pretty bright eyeshadow. So I'm just going to be blending this Love Plus color out all over my lid and also on my lower lash line, and you guys can just see me blending it out here. You want to do it in circular motions so everything is nice and seamless. And then onto this Sugar Pill palette, and I'm going to be using the pink shade right there, and I'm going to be basically doing the same exact thing that I did on the other eye to this eye. Once that's all blended, we are going to be moving on to the next step, and the next step is we're going to be applying again this highlighter to our inner corner to make our eyes super shiny. Once we're done applying that, we're going to be going in with this Duo Lash Glue, and I'm going to be putting this on my highlighted areas on my face because I'm going to be going in with some glitter. So obviously I want to be super shiny for IVE, so I'm just putting the glitter all over my highlighted areas, as you can see, and it just goes on so nicely. I love it so much. Once you are finished applying it, we're going to actually be prepping our lashes, and these are some Koko lashes in Amore, and I'm actually stacking two on top of each other. While that is drying, we're going to be doing our eyeliner, and I'm just going to be doing a wing eyeliner. Winged eyeliner is my favorite eyeliner to do, and then I'm going to be going in with some mascara just to make sure our eyelashes are black for our lashes, and then we are just going to be popping these on. Yeah, that's right, pop them on. It should be super easy because the glue has been getting tacky, so just pop them on there. And then I'm going to be using this clear brow gel on my brows because I have crazy wildly hairs on my brows. After your brows are set in place, time for lips. I'm going to be starting things off with this Buxom Lipbalm, and I love this stuff because it makes your lips really pretty pink color. And I'm going in with this PeriPera lip stain in 32. It's like a red color because my outfit's red. And then I'm just going to be putting this Buxom White Russian lip gloss over it to kind of give me a really pretty juicy lip like One Young. Once you're done with your lips, we're going to be adding this really pretty jewel onto my face to give me a Love Dive kind of a look, since I love Dive and I wanted to represent. And then for our eyes, we're going to be using this for our waterline, and I am just doing that. Look at me go. And then I'm going to be adding this mascara for our lower lash line, and guess what, guys? That completes our look. Let's go see IVE together.
Welcome to New Jersey Dive. Hi, Ibiza. Hi, this is Eugene. What's up, New Jersey? Hi, Dive. New Jersey, are you guys ready? Welcome to IVE's first world tour. Show what I have. Maybe IVE's visual? Wow. So I see that a lot of you guys brought our eye headphones here. Please wave it! Show me what you got! Okay, perfect.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
So overall, seeing IVE in person playing all their songs was a dream come true, and if you can see your favorite K-pop band at a concert of their own, I would highly recommend it. It was amazing. I loved it. It was great. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!